The traffic in Ho Chi Minh City may not be the worst in the world. It may not even be in the top 20, but it was still a little bit of a culture shock to see this traffic. And fortunately, I did not have to drive in any of it. I've gotten used to the traffic that we have experienced in Taiwan, in Taipei City. My driving there has been limited, but I do have experience in driving a little bit in Taiwan in heavy traffic. And probably the worst traffic that I've experienced here in my country is in Atlanta, which has some of the worst traffic congestion in the United States. Still, the traffic in Ho Chi Minh City seemed like some of the worst I had seen. It would be hard for me to imagine experiencing traffic in some of the other cities of the world that are extremely congested, such as Mumbai, Tokyo, Moscow, and London.